expression here. It is 6b square minus 4b minus 10. Okay, it is in the form of ax square plus minus bx plus minus c form. And we know in this form that coefficients, numerical coefficient 6, minus 4, minus 10, they are used to make conditions. Okay, so to factorize these ones, we have to find two numbers. Okay, say that two number is r and s that multiply first and last. That means first is 6 and last is minus 10. Okay, so to make the condition of multiplications, this 6 and minus 10, that is their product is minus 60, so that multiply minus 60, and that 8 the middle coefficient, that is minus 4. Okay, so we have to make conditions by using the coefficients used in the expression 6 minus 4 minus 10. So after making conditions, we have to find that numbers. Okay, and you learn the method of finding that two numbers. Okay, so that two number is r and s, whose products will be minus 60 and whose sums will be minus 4. Okay, so to get the two numbers, we have to use the factors of that 60. Okay, we have to do prime factorizations, and this gives you all the possible factors of that minus 60. Okay, now 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 equals to 60. So look at this, 2 and the remaining is 30. So 2 multiply 30 is 60, but to get the condition minus 60, one of the numbers should be minus. Now their sum, let's check their sum, that is 28. Okay, 2 multiply minus 30. From the same number, we have to make two conditions. One is first is negative, another second one is negative. So it is minus 60. Now so it becomes minus 28 because minus is more here, and the result always another's 2 to the 4 and 4 15 ja. So 4 multiply 15 also gives 60, but to get the negative we have to make one of them negative, so it is negative. Now their sum is 11, and that is also 60. Now what about their sum? Minus 11. Now 2 to the 4, 3 to the 12 and 5. So 12 and 5 also give 60. So one of should be 60. Now what about their sum? Their sum is minus 7. So I focus here to make the combinations correctly. Okay. Okay, students. Now what left here? It finishes. Now another combination we have to make, 5 and 2 and 2 and 3. So all the combinations you have to try to solve the numbers. Okay. Now I take 5 and 2 and the 2 and 3. That means 5 and 2 is 10 and another is what? 6. So 6 and 10 also give the product 60, and one of the numbers will be minus to get, so minus 6 plus 10, it is what? 4. Another 6 multiply minus 10 also give minus 60. Now what about their sum? Minus 10 is here, minus 4. This way we have to try making the different combinations of two numbers by using their prime factors here. So 6 and minus 10 are the required number which satisfies these conditions. Okay, it can be factorized now easily. So finding the two numbers is very important. Now this minus 4 should be replaced by that two numbers. Okay, that means 6 minus 10 is what? Minus 4. It is derived from here. So in place of minus 4 we are going to write this one, this. So six b square plus, in place of minus 4 we write here 6 minus 10. Okay, after this you just follow the simple process of factorizing. Okay, from this 2, what is common? 6 is taken common. 6 is greatest common factor, and from the variables b is the common here. So 6b, now b plus, now 1 here. Okay, minus 10 is common here, so we divide this term by 10, then we get here plus p, and again if we divide this term by minus 10 we get here plus 1. Now here b plus 1 common, again we take common, so b plus 1 is what? And 6b in the first, and in this term 10 is left. So this is the factorizations of the expressions. By looking at the coefficients of the expressions, we have to make the conditions of multiplications by the first and last numbers, and that condition of addition is depend on the middle number. Okay, which is minus 4 here. Okay, here we have another questions, 3a square minus ab minus 10b square. Okay, now you see the first coefficient is 3, leading coefficient is 3 here, and here minus, and look at here, nothing is in here, so minus 1 is here. Okay, and here minus 10. So these three numbers from the expressions we use to make the conditions, and this also contains two variables a and b. Okay, the process is same, so you should not get confused looking at the two variables. You just follow the process that you have done previously, and let's make condition at first. For the condition of multiplications we have to use first and last, that is what? 3 and minus 10, 3 and minus 10 is minus 30. And for the condition of additions, we have to use middle, which is minus 1. Okay, and to find the numbers satisfying the conditions, we have to do the prime factorization of 30, and from this 2 15 ja and 6 5 ja, we have to take we have to try all the combinations so that the two conditions are satisfied. Okay, so after trying, we get here this one. This gets the two conditions satisfied, sum minus 1 and product minus 30. Okay, so this after finding this, we are going to use this one here. Look at here, minus 1. Okay, this minus 1 we are going to replace by this one, so this is why we needed this one. And 3 square minus 1 plus minus 1 ab minus 10b square. Now here minus 1 is replaced, which we have obtained from here, and 3 square plus minus 6 plus 5ab minus 10b square. So in this step it is multiplied. Okay, minus 6ab and plus 5ab. We have 4 terms. Now from first two terms, 3a is common. When 3a is common, then from a square, a is left, 3 already gone outside, and from 6ab, 3 to the 6, and a will be cancelled, so 2b. And from this two term also, 5 is common and b is common. If you divide 5ab by 5b, then only a left here, and if you divide minus 10b square by 5b, then only minus 2b left here. 5 to the 20 and b square divided by b is b. Okay, and look at here. Now in these terms, a minus 2b is common, a minus 2b is common, and after that a minus 2b is taken common, and what left? 3a left here from here, and from another term 5b is left. A minus 2b is already taken common. Okay, exercise which is little bit different, x plus 1 whole square minus 6x plus 1 plus 8. Okay, now put x plus 1 equals to p, then you will get x plus 1, that is p square, and 6p plus 8. Now you get the equations in p. Now you factorize by the same method that you have done, and at the end you will have to replace p equals to x plus 1. That means in place of p you have to put x plus 1. Okay, and another case we have, look at here, 28 minus 27x minus x square, and for this one you have to put them in standard form. Okay, standard form means for highest degree term, another's, and at last constant term. Okay, you have to put them in descending order according to their degree. That means highest degree x square, then ax, then constant term. And if you take minus common, then it becomes easy to factorize. Okay, minus 28. Now you just, after this, you just follow the method that you have been doing. Okay, this is from your exercise, which is little bit different and tricky one also. Okay, the trick for this question is to replace x plus 1 equals to p, and trick for such question is to write them in standard form. Okay,